Now we change engine air filter on Toyota Highlander 2022 hybrid limited. So if it's your first time opening a hood, there's a button over here. That's a hood. Okay, and then come here, it pops. And then there's a lever here, so you just push that and open it. And it opens like this. And we'll have to find put this one down to hold the hood. Take it from there, put it here. Now we'll have to find the air filter. Alright, so the filter is here. So you just tilt the air to this side. And you should be able to push it. It's right there. So we're gonna change that like this and take this one out. It's been 2 years, so I'll show you. So this is how it looks like after 2 years. It's not that bad, but the smell inside is bad. So this one goes up when you install it. So we got the new one. I'm gonna put it back there. So we go like this. It's good. So put this one back. There's a clip on the back. Just make sure you hit. You cover that area too. One and tilt the lever. Up, clip. Second up. Goes. It's good. Just make sure nothing is damaged here. That's all. Alright, so we're good. Now it's $150 for the filter change. So put this one back. Close the hood, that's all.